decided to start cooking food I love to eat, but I've never actually made myself. And today I'm making birria tacos. First things first, tequila. Let's get started. I'm following Salty Cochina's recipe, who's an abuela on TikTok. And out of all the recipes I watch, it just felt like she knew what she was doing. So it was giving authentic. Okay, so you're gonna need about 3 to 5 pounds of chuck roast. And don't forget to wash your meat. Don't be a cochina. Abuela's recipe says to cut it into cubes, then add it to a pot filled with 8 cups of water. I'm gonna cut it into chunks, season with lots of salt, and sear it first. Then I'm gonna add it to a mix of beef broth and water. I would have probably used only beef broth if I had enough, but I only have 4 cups. This is about 4 cups, so I'm gonna add about 4 more cups of water. To this, it says to add half a white onion, 4 bay leaves, and a whole head of garlic. Listen, she did it with the peel still on. I don't make the rules. I just follow directions, even though I did exactly what I wanted to do for the very first step. And now we boil for an hour over medium-high heat. Now in a separate pan with vegetable oil, it says to toast 10 to 12 guajillo chiles, 3 ancho peppers, and 6 garlic cloves. Now these she peeled. I also saw a few people remove the seeds from the peppers. I didn't see abuela do that, so I'm not gonna do that. Nah, I don't know. Maybe I should remove the seeds. I'm gonna remove the seeds. It says to toast this for 2 to 3 minutes until it's fragrant. Smells great. I've never toasted chiles before. I should have probably used a bigger pan for this, but I'll make it work. You then put all that in a blender, add 5 whole cloves. I literally didn't know what this was until now because I literally thought it was talking about garlic cloves. I don't know if this is 5, but it seems like it, just a pinch. Maybe even a little more. I don't know what this tastes like. Maybe I shouldn't do that. 6 to 8 peppercorns. These smell amazing. I don't know if that's 6 to 8, but it's probably about, I don't know, way more than 6 to 8, but add that in there. We add the onion and garlic from the pot. Here's the garlic. I'm intrigued. 2 cups of water. Ideally, I would have probably used the water that's boiling in the pot with the meat, but I'm gonna keep following directions. And then you blend. Girl, I'm done blending this, and the next few steps include straining it into the meat and letting it boil another 2 hours. It's already 8:50, so that means by the time I'm done straining it, boil it another 2 hours, it's gonna be like 9:30. No, excuse me, 11:30. No, can't do it. No. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge. I don't know if that's gonna make it worse or better, but we're just gonna have to try again tomorrow, okay? Because no. Hate that for me. I was so ready. Right, it's the next day. Let's get the show on the road. This is definitely gonna have to go into the crock pot, Instant Pot, something pot next time because let's wrap this up. So this next step is basically straining this sauce into the pot. And apparently I can add some water to help it go faster, but this is the part I don't care for because I can already see it's just gonna take way too long. There just has to be a faster way to be able to strain this. But then it's also kind of therapeutic, so I don't know. I think I'm just hungry. You pretty much just do that until all the liquid is through and all that's left is the puree. And as you can see, that's where, some of the seeds are and most likely where the rest of the skin for that onion and garlic we used earlier. So next we add the sazon, the seasoning. So I didn't realize the recipe uses ground oregano and thyme, so I got fresh oregano and thyme. Not sure if that'll make a difference or make it better or worse, but I guess we'll find out. So yeah, add some oregano, some thyme. I'm just gonna put the full sticks in there just so it's easier to fish out later, and I guess also for some extra seasoning. I did check my seasoning drawer and I do have this, but I don't know, just gonna stick to that for now. Or maybe, is that gonna be too much? Okay, that might be too much, maybe let's not. About 2 tablespoons of beef bouillon, or as much as you want for taste as needed, and some cumin, and I just realized I don't have any, which I thought I did, so here we are. Next it says to cover and simmer for 2 hours. The comments of some of the videos I watched said to add a cinnamon stick and that birria is when you're using lamb, but I'm doing it how Abuela Cochina said to do it, and I didn't see her do any of that. But once I master how to make it, I'm definitely gonna try it with some lamb because that sounds so good, and I'm gonna put it in the crock pot because we'll wrap this up. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 cinnamon sticks since I don't have some of the other stuff. Now we eat. Oh, wait! Yes, I'm so excited. Oh my god. It's been about 2 hours now and the meat looks real nice and real tender. I thought I would have to shred it, but I love that I could literally just press on it. Literally, that's all I just did and it breaks down. So I am here. Look at that. Whoa.
I mean, just look at this. Look at this. Oh, come on, tender brownie. And now to the fun part. You dip the tortilla in the consomme, and she didn't say what kind of tortilla, so I assumed corn tortilla, so that's what we're gonna go with. Place the tortilla in the skillet, add some cheese, cilantro, onion, the beef, more cheese, and you fry it over low heat until the cheese is melted. I even added more consomme here and there as I saw fit.
She didn't specify what kind of cheese to get. I did see some people using mozzarella cheese, and I also saw some people using Oaxaca cheese, so I got both. For the moment we've all been waiting for, I'm so excited. I've got my birria tacos, I've got my consomme, and I've got my limes. Girl, let's see what it's hitting for. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. I'm gonna squeeze some lime. Okay, I'm gonna try the one with the Oaxaca cheese first. And let me know if I'm saying that correctly, mi gente. Help me out. Oh my god, here goes nothing, or here goes everything. Girl. Oh my god, so good. Oh my god. The meat is so good. It's seasoned so well. Like, it's juicy, it's tender. The Oaxaca cheese is really good. Oh my god. And then when you add it with the bite for the cilantro and the onion, girl, I'm so happy. I'm gonna try it with the mozzarella cheese now. I'm gonna squeeze some more lime on it. Oh my god, it's the best decision I ever made. It shouldn't take so long. Oh, it's a little messy. Okay, here goes the one with the mozzarella. I honestly can't tell the difference in taste. Oh my god. Hold on. Wait a minute. I can't tell the difference in taste between the two cheeses. Girl. Oh my god. This is bomb. Just ate damn near 3 tacos right now. It's crazy. It is a little messy though, I'll say that. But yep. Until next time.